Hey everyone, thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a dolphin. I'm excited, I hope you guys are as well. Well, let's have two, let's go see what we can do.
So for the first step of making our dolphin, we're going to begin by making the top fin, followed by making a curved line over to the right side, then we'll hop over to the left side and make one more curved line. Fantastic! Now right below that curved line that we just made, we're going to begin to make the snout of our dolphin. Awesome, now below that fin that we just made earlier, we're going to make one more fin underneath of it. The next step will be to connect the snout to the fin. Awesome, we're already almost finished. Now the last step will be to make our dolphin's tail. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color in your dolphin with us.